Good day everyone, I'm Chuyen. Today I'm going to present my individual assignment for intermediate calculus. In this assignment, I'm going to present for some topic in chapter 1 which are level curve and quadric surfaces. Let me come to my first topic which is level curve. The level curve of a function f of two variables are the curve with equation f of x, y equals k, which k is a constant in range of f. We usually adopt contour map on which point of constant elevations are joined to form contour line, which is also called level curve. These are some examples for contour map. In example 1, we are called to estimate the value of f of 1, 4 and f of 4, 5 by using the figure displayed. To find the value of f of 1, 4, we can take a value between 60 to 70, which is around that range. And for f of 4, 5, we can take the value between 50 to 60. Then we will find that f of 1, 4 are approximate to 61 and f of 4, 5 approximate to 57. In example 2, we are asked to sketch the level curve of the function f of x, y equals to 6 minus 3x minus 2y for the value k equals to negative 6, 0, 6, and 12. Okay, first step, we will use the equation from the definition, which is f of x, y equals to k to find the expression. For k equals to negative 6, we will get the equation 6 minus 3x minus 2y equals to negative 6. It also can be written as 3x plus 2y equals to 12. So we will do the same step for k equals to 0, 6, and 12. Finally, we will get four expressions. We are 3x plus 2y equals to 12, 3x plus 2y equals to 6, 3x plus 2y equals to 0, and 3x plus 2y equals to negative 6. Then we will plot the resulting expression in R2. And this is the level curve sketch by using the graphic calculator. Now we move to quadric surfaces. We are discussed for quadric surfaces in this further sketching topic. Quadric surfaces is the graph of second degree equations in three variables x, y, and z. The most general of such equation is ax squared plus by squared plus cz squared plus dxy plus eyz plus fxz plus gx plus hy plus iz plus j equals to 0. Before we go for example, let us first discuss the characteristic of common quadric surface. First is ellipsoid. When we have an expression x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared plus z squared over c squared equals to 1, we can say that the shape of this function is ellipsoid. And if a equals b equals c, then the surface is sphere. Second common quadric surface is hyperboloid of one shape. The form of equation is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared minus z squared over c squared equals to 1. Next is hyperboloid of two shapes. The form of equation is z squared over c squared minus x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals to 1. We notice that in ellipsoid, we have all positive coefficients. In hyperboloid of one sheet, we have one negative coefficient, and hyperboloid of two sheets, we have two negative coefficients. So the next one is elliptic cone, or we can call it cone. The form of equation is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared minus x squared over c squared equals to 0. Next is hyperboloid paraboloid. The form of equation is z equals to x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared. The last one is elliptic paraboloid. The form of equation is z equals to x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared. These are the 6 basic common of quadric surface. In example 3, we are asked to identify the quadric surface for following equation. In question A, equation is z equals to y squared minus x squared. If I refer to our previous slide, we know that this is hyperboloid paraboloid. For question B, equation is x squared plus y squared over 9 plus z squared over 4 equals to 1. We know that the answer is an ellipsoid. In conclusion, in topic of level curve, what we are learning is understanding the concept of how our function appear in 3 dimensions of form. For quadric surfaces, we are learned that the importance of basic properties that we can use to identify what kind of quadric surface does our function discuss. That's all for me. Thank you.